Hi, folks. This is Don Meisner with a Fish Cat Fishing Report. I want to talk a little bit today about the Elite Series Bassmaster Classic that's going to be taking place in Waddington the 8th through the 11th of August. You know, this is a huge event, and I've talked about it before, but what I want to tell you today is for all you Canadian listeners, this is going to be a Can-Am event. We want all of you to come over and take part of this. And I've been talking with Big Jim McLaughlin. Jim lives near Brockville, and he was a two-time Canadian champion. He's had radio and TV shows. If there's anybody that knows about fishing, it's Big Jim. And Jim says that he's been talking to an awful lot of Canadians, and they can't believe that we're really holding this. This event is so huge. How did the little town of Waddington get to have this? Well, I'll tell you how. Because we told Bass that we have a huge population of Canadian anglers right across the border. But you know, it isn't just anglers. It's all of you. Families, come on over. We're going to have a military day where we're going to honor our soldiers. And that includes Canadian soldiers and wounded warriors. I'm telling you, this is a huge event. And finally, I want to tell you what Big Jim told me. Jim told me that the fishing lately has not been all that great on both sides of the border. And he says it's not because we don't have fabulous fishing. It's because the weather has been so unstable that the fish are unstable. They're not developing a pattern. So if you go out there, Jim recommends try something different. Eventually, you're going to catch fish. And more eventually, if such a thing means anything, is that these fish are going to start developing their own pattern and they'll be more reliable. Until next time, folks, remember the big Can-Am Elite Series is going to take place in August, and we want all of you there. Until next time, this is Don Meisner with a Fish Cat Fishing Report.